Welcome to another video with Invest with the Doctor. My name is Dr. Haider. I am an accident emergency medicine doctor by day and a trader and investor by night. I do see research on different stocks and I invest in them. And in these series of videos, I try to share them with the community so that you can get some benefit from the research and homework that I've done. In this video, I'm going to be talking about gold mining stocks. The reason I'm talking about them is that gold has been in a bull run, and gold stocks usually do very well when it comes to the gold bull run itself. And a lot of these stocks are showing quite a promising behavior, which means that the price is likely to rise up quite a bit, which is why I'm making this video, so that you can look at the technical charts and make up your mind yourself whether you should be investing in these stocks. So today I'm going to be talking about four stocks, which is Quer Mining, Discovery Silver, Vin Precious Metal, and OR Royalties. So let's go on to the first one, which is Quer Mining. As you can see here, the ticker for this stock is CDE. So this stock itself, ticker is CDE. At the moment, the time of making this video, the price is running around 11.65 US dollars. Like I said, the stock looks quite promising to me. As you can see, it's breaking out of this base at the moment. The price target for this stock is between 12 to 13 US dollars. It is showing, this is a daily chart that I'm talking about, as you can see here. So it's the daily chart, and it's got my favorite setup, which is the 21-day moving average is above the 50, which is above the 200. So the price is doing very well, and as you can see, it's breaking out of this base here. The RSI is moving higher, the MACD is green. So this is quite a good setup from my point of view. And usually the price does very well when this is happening. So this was the daily chart. Let me show you the same thing on the weekly. So this is the weekly chart, same thing. As you can see, it's breaking out of this base itself. So you can see the base here, and it's breaking out here. So you can see the breakout itself. Like I said, price target of 12 to 13 dollars on this stock. Again, on the weekly, RSI positive, MACD is still red, but as you can see, it's about to close into green itself, which it hasn't done yet. So this is Quer Mining. I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly. The ticker for it is CDE. Okay, CDE. Let's go on to the next one, which is Discovery Silver. So this is the stock for Discovery Silver. It's formed this sort of cup with handle base, and looks like it's about to break out of this base. Again, blue over red, which is over green. RSI positive, MACD is positive on the daily. The price at the time of making this video is 3.67 Canadian dollars, because this is on the Canadian Stock Exchange, TSX. Okay, Discovery Silver Corporation, the ticker for it is DSF. So this was the daily chart. As I said, looks quite promising. Let me show you the same thing on weekly. Again, this is the weekly chart itself. MACD about to become green. RSI, as you can see, is like in the overbought territory. Blue above the red, above the green, and I've already told you the price target itself. Now, you can take a pen and paper, write down these price targets. If you want, you can sell the whole stock when it comes to its a price target, or what you could do is sell 2/3 of the stock itself and leave 1/3 to to rise with time. So these are options that you can take on selling the stock and gaining some profits. So this was Discovery Silver, which is a silver mining company. Um, the next one is called Vin Precious Metals. Vin Precious Metals, this is the weekly chart. Um, I like this stock quite a bit. I think it's got a lot of potential. Um, the ticker symbol for Vin Precious Metal is WPM here. The price at the time of making this video is around 100 US dollars. As you can see, the price is sort of breaking out of this base here. So you can see it breaking out. My price target for this is between 105 to 110 US dollars. As you can see here, again, RSI is in overbought territory. MACD has got a green dot. MACD is green and positive. Like I said, my favorite setup again. So because we're talking about the weekly chart itself, you can see 21 weekly over the 50, which is over the 200 weekly moving average, and they're all upsloping. They're all upsloping, which means the price has been in long-term bull run itself. The last one that I'm going to talk about today is OR Royalties. This is a gold stock again. The ticker symbol for OR Royalties is OR. It's on the New York Stock Exchange, and at the time of making this video, the price is hovering around $30 itself. So you can see it around $30. It's following this trend line. As you can see, I've drawn here this trend line, so you can see a touch here, then a few touches here, 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 and this place here. So it's following a clear trend line. Again, the setup is the same. The blue above the red, above the green. So it's above all moving averages, and they're all upsloping. So they're going all up. The price target for this stock is 35 US dollars. At the moment, it's 30. So these are some of the stocks that I wanted to talk about today. Out of these, Vin Precious Metal is the most promising from my point of view. I think this stock has got the most potential out of all of these, but you can't ignore the prices for each of them. So I've given you past price target, which I think is a very reasonable price that these stocks can reach in the coming few weeks, if not months. I'm pretty sure that at least by October or November, it's quite likely that these price targets would have been reached, if not earlier, and they can run a lot higher than what I've just mentioned itself. So this was my short video on these gold and silver mining stocks. I'm going to be making a second part to this video as well, where I'm going to be mentioning some other gold mining stocks which I feel are quite promising, and I hope to give you some price targets on them as well. What you can do is, if you feel they are one too many, you could put about 5%, 5 to 10% of your portfolio into these stocks and let them run. So 5% of your overall portfolio and let them run to the price that I've mentioned, and then you can take either you can sell the stock completely, or you can sell 2/3 of the stock when it reaches the price target itself. Like I mentioned, this is the first video. I'm going to be doing a follow-up video tomorrow, where I'm going to be mentioning some more gold mining stocks which I think are quite promising, and I think it is quite worthwhile investing in them. Try to follow me if you can on all my socials. So I do regular updates on Trading 212. I've got my posts there. On X, I sort of tweet or post every day as well. And obviously, I make these YouTube videos when I can. So I hope you got some benefit out of this. Please like and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.